Welcome to the Honda 2-stage snowblower maintenance video. This video covers the basic maintenance of the HSS 724, HSS 928, and the HSS 1332 models. Snowblowers can be dangerous when used improperly or when not maintained correctly. Be sure that before operating the snowblower that you've reviewed the owner's manual to help avoid any safety hazards. When operating a snowblower, the engine emits carbon monoxide, which is toxic. Never run the engine in or near an enclosed area. For detailed information regarding the setup of your snowblower, refer to the owner's manual. Performing normal maintenance on your Honda HSS snowblower is crucial for safe and proper operation, as well as for extending the snowblower's life. To help you properly care for your snowblower, the owner's manual includes a maintenance schedule and routine inspection procedures. This video shows steps for basic maintenance procedures such as oil changes, spark plug service, and various inspections and adjustments, all using hand tools. Further service tasks may be more difficult, which would require visiting your Honda Power Equipment dealer. Draining the engine oil while the engine is still warm helps drain the engine quickly and completely. Start by making sure that the snowblower is on a flat, level surface. Place a suitable container under the engine oil drain plug. Using a 17mm wrench, hold the oil drain extension while loosening the oil drain plug with a 10mm socket or wrench. Remove the drain plug. Allow the engine oil to drain completely. Always replace the oil drain plug sealing washer with a new one while changing the oil to prevent possible damage to the engine and for proper sealing. Reinstall the oil drain plug with a new sealing washer and tighten to 13 pound-feet. Be sure to properly dispose of the used engine oil. Using a funnel, fill the engine with SAE 5W30 engine oil with a category of SJ or later. Check the oil level using the dipstick and fill to the upper limit on the dipstick, which is checked without the dipstick being threaded in. Be careful not to overfill the oil. Tighten the dipstick and wipe up any spills. For optimal performance, the spark plug should be inspected routinely and replaced if worn. First, allow the engine to cool before removing the spark plug. Remove the spark plug cap. Using the supplied spark plug wrench or a 13/16" spark plug socket, loosen and remove the spark plug. Visually inspect the spark plug electrode for wear, damage, or carbon fouling and replace if necessary. Using a spark plug gap gauge, measure the gap between the center and ground electrodes. The gap should be 0.7 to 0.8 millimeters. Adjust and remeasure if necessary. Reinstall the spark plug, tightening to 13 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. If you don't have a torque wrench, install the spark plug by hand until it stops. Then, if using a brand new spark plug, tighten the spark plug an additional half a turn. Tighten an additional 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn for a used spark plug. On track models, the track adjustment is important to prevent premature wear of both the tracks and the snowblower crawler wheels. First, be sure the tracks are clean and dry before adjustment. With the snowblower on a flat level surface, check the track deflection by pressing downward between the wheels. When properly adjusted, the track should deflect about 11 to 16 millimeters with light force applied. If the deflection is not within spec, then perform the adjustment procedure. To adjust the track deflection, loosen both the left and right track adjuster lock nuts, then adjust the deflection using the adjustment nut as shown. Once the track deflection has been set, tighten the lock nut and recheck the deflection again. On wheeled models, the tire condition and pressure should be checked periodically. Inspect the sidewall and tread condition of both tires for cracks, damage, or wear. Replace if necessary. Tire pressure should be at 20 psi. Do not overinflate the tires or damage to the tire can occur. Proper snowblower skid shoe and scraper bar adjustments keep the auger at the proper height for optimal snow clearing while helping prevent damage to the auger and auger housing. Follow these steps to perform these adjustments. On all models, the skid shoes are considered wear items and must be inspected periodically for excess wear. They're double-sided for longer service life, which allows the shoes to be flipped or replaced if worn or thin. If the skid shoes are within specifications, then check and adjust the skid shoes so that the auger clearance is between 4 and 8 millimeters for most snow conditions. Your Honda snowblower is equipped with shear bolts on both the auger and blower. These bolts are designed to break before the snowblower is damaged. If a shear bolt is broken, only replace with genuine Honda replacement shear bolts available from your authorized Honda Power Equipment dealer. The use of ordinary hardware bolts can result in an unsafe condition and potentially damage the snowblower. For further information regarding the maintenance of your snowblower, refer to the owner's manual or see your authorized Honda dealer.